I'm Joselina Peralta. I'm the founder and CEO of Stractix. Essentially, we're a practice-led advisory firm. And a little bit about why Stractix. Essentially, I was my client not too long ago. I was a CPO, I was a chief supply chain officer, and also I was a chief operating officer. And one of the things that it was missing for me, so I built it out of my own necessity, it was that I felt that most of the partners, they do great on the diagnostics and the prescription, but they didn't see all the way to the execution. And one thing that it was also missing is that they didn't build that sponsorship with the C-suite and the board. And for me, the consultant, it's not really the story, it's really the client. So I am more interested in building that sponsorship and credibility with the board and the CEO. And I'm happy to be faded in the background because it's never about me. And the other thing is that we really want to solve the problem once. If I have to keep coming back for the same problem, then I'm not doing my job right. So at the end of the day, we're really practice-led because for me, the issue is it needs to be addressed and solved. And if we do that, then we're doing our job. We have so much technology. We're living in the AI era, right? So it couldn't be more amazing to be so interconnected. But at the same time, we never really lack technology. And when it comes down to it, the topic of my keynote is that it's not a tech problem, it's a partnership problem. And I believe from my heart, the procurement can fix it. So essentially, data has always been there. How do we connect that? We're lacking clarity, we're lacking trust, and we're lacking partnerships. So data is only going to amplify whatever you have. If you have dysfunction, if your governance is broken, if there's no trust between the functions, if there's no trust with the data, the technology is only going to amplify that even more. In my 20 plus years of span experience, I think that we're long overdue to become board level recognition. So it is being so tactically managed and believed to be. And it's time that we recognize that the next level of growth is actually going to be unlocked by procurement.